MPD Store เป็นโรงงานผลิตหลอดพลาสติกคุณภาพดีเราขายทั้งไทยและก็ส่งออกต่างประเทศกว่า30 ปีหลอดที่เราผลิตก็จะเป็นหลอด U-shape หลอดพลาสติกทั่วไปหลอดหักงอและหลอดย่อยสลาย
บริษัท BD Store เราเป็นบริษัทที่ร่วมทุนกับทางหุ้นส่วนเกาหลีใต้ทุกเทคโนโลยีที่ผ่านมาเนี่ยเราก็เอามาใช้ทุกสิ่งทุกอย่างแล้วก็การทำงานที่ช่วยให้เราทำงานได้รวดเร็วขึ้นและมองเห็นภาพรวมของบริษัทได้ง่ายขึ้นในวันต่อวัน
Hello everyone, my name is Danny. I'm a general manager in BD Stores. I have IT background and a factory experience. And as everyone knows, the factory is one of the traditional industries, not a high-tech. It's a traditional industry. In the company, we think the cost control is very important, especially after COVID. Everyone compared with other companies based on their price. So we think how to reduce our costs. First of all, we need to know the manufacturing data. Therefore, with correct manufacturing data, top management can make correct decision on time and accordingly. Alright, first of all, we don't have extra budget for IT department. Secondly, we think that database function with low coding is very important to us. Thirdly, the system must be easy to use and be trained to our staffs. Moreover, we think about online support. So when we need support, that the Zoho team can support us anytime. Actually, we do have the package software and we use Excel too. But for everyday data summary, it takes time. And we do have a package software. And most of our staff use Excel. For all the staff, they even use paper and pencil.
So our 3 pain points, and prior to switching to Zoho Creator, is probably gonna be that we don't have any online system to monitor our factory. Everything is separate. Like for example, we have like Excel. We probably have like 100 files of Excel saved everywhere every day, and that leads us to the second pain point, that it's all hard to combine. Those Excel files are very hard to combine when we don't use it online. So if for example, if I want any data, I have to wait like half a day to get any data, to make any decision afterwards. But with Zoho, I could just download an app on my phone and just look at the data at any time I want, anywhere I want. And the third pain point that we had prior to using Zoho is that we write the program ourselves, but we don't have a good UI or UX design. But compared to Zoho, it has a very friendly design. And also at the same time, it's pretty next level. So basically we use Zoho Creator as of now, and we use it to monitor every part of our company. As in, we monitor every part of departments, like for example, production, purchase, warehouse, and FG warehouse, our material warehouse, all of that. We use it to monitor all of our departments basically. So what we use for modules is for all departments, and also at the same time we use all the automatic summarization of Zoho. As in, like, we convert those information that we have into pie charts, into bar charts, into information that is easily digestible. So at first we didn't think that we would achieve much with it, but as it turns out, it is worth the return of investment, because we have invested just a bit into Zoho, but in return we got the information in order to make decisions, and we got information in order to reduce costs. We get information in order to ensure that our product will meet the quality that we promised to the customers. And also it reduced the labor costs. The labor cost is that a year ago we have a job that is specific for these kind of jobs. It's like data summarizer, data analysis, but right now we could use Zoho to do it all for us. And also we would have the customer order status page. Customer order status page, what it is basically just the back end of Zoho linked to the front end where the user would see it, as in our website, where we have been working for that for a while now. Customer just one click, they would know what's the status of their order and also know the price of our products in just instant one click.
Well, it's not about coding. It's about what kind of data you need. In the past, we have package software and Excel. They cannot give you the real-time data, cannot do automatic summary to the management level. So I would suggest if you want to use Zoho Creator service, try it yourself. They have free trial period. If you get any problems, you get support from their IT team. So try it. Why not?